Good morning, students. Today we'll talk about applications of heating effect of electric current. Applications of heating effect current. Okay, as you have seen the things which you use in daily life, you might have seen that heating effect of electric current is being used in, say, iron, electric iron, then toaster, oven, heater, and there are many more things. Specifying what two more devices in which heating effect is used, or you can say Joule's law of heating is also used. We can take it as a number 5 is electric bulb. And how the electric bulb is using this heating effect is that the filament of bulb is made of such a metal which is having high temperature, because the basic principle behind the working of a filament is that when electric current will flow through the filament, it will get very hot. It will retain as much heat as possible inside the filament, and then it will glow to release energy in the form of light. And since filament has to have high temperature, high melting point, because it works at high temperature, tungsten is the element which is used for making bulb filament. One more application is fuse, which is specifically defined or explained in your syllabus. Fuse. This is a very important device. This fuse we will talk in the next chapter also. How it works. The very first thing is how it is. What is it? It is a safety device which prevents the appliances in which situation? When there is high current in the circuit. Because of high current, sometimes the appliance will get a fault. So to avoid that fault in the appliance itself, a safety device known as fuse is used. How it is constructed? It is in the form of a wire encased in a porcelain dish made up of porcelain, and then these two metal ends are there in which a wire, fuse wire, which is known as, is connected. How it is connected in a circuit? It is always connected in series. It is always connected in series. Of what particular type of material it is made? It is made up of, depending upon the capacity of the fuse wire, it is made up of different materials. Alloy or a metal can be used, aluminium, iron, copper can be used for making this fuse wire. And what is the basic principle of its working? The basic principle of its working is that when high current will, because this is a safety device, when a high current will pass through a given circuit, this wire is going to melt. See, this wire is having appropriate, we say appropriate melting point, not very high, not very low, depending upon for what work we are going to use it. So what will happen? The wire will get melt. If more current is passing due to heating effect of electric current, it will break because of melting, and now your circuit will be safe. Later on, when you want to replace it, you can make a new fuse wire, connect it between these terminals, and your fuse will again start working. This is about applications of heating effect of electric current. Normally in domestic purposes we use fuse of 1 ampere, 2 ampere, 3 ampere, 5 ampere, also 10 ampere, like this. Mostly the switch which we use in our daily routine in domestic circuits is of 5 ampere current. So if current more than 5 ampere is going to flow in normal circuit, the circuit is going to, the fuse wire is going to break. And in for like heater and all, we use different type of switches in which more current passes through. Most of the time 15 ampere current is also there. So depending upon 15 ampere, the fuse will have that particular value. So this is about all heating effect of electric current. Thank you.